Hello, I'm Farnaz Baksh, a graduate of the Robotics and Computer Engineering Master's Program here at the University of Tartu. Currently, I'm pursuing my PhD focusing on social robotics research. The Master of Science in Robotics and Computer Engineering is a 120 ECTS 2-year program offered by the Institute of Technology at the Faculty of Science and Technology. Its goal, to prepare specialists in the fields of robotics, computer engineering, and space technology, ready to take on industry and research challenges. Graduates of this program will gain a broad understanding of robotics, computer engineering, or space tech. They will learn to apply human-centered approaches to tech solutions. They will be able to work across fields and share ethical, economical, and limitations of their work. The program aims to prepare students for both industry and research. Some personal reasons why I choose this program. It stood out for its practical, hands-on learning. It set the stage for further research. Example, I was able to propose my own thesis topic, which has led to my current PhD research on robotic study companions. You can also specialize in your area of interest and gain valuable experience in various research labs across the university. The curriculum is structured into 6 modules totaling 120 ECTS: the basic module, the seminar module, specialization and narrow field module, optional courses, and the master thesis. In the basic module, you'll learn the foundational skills such as data acquisition and signal processing, robotics technology, soft robotics, and so on. These courses emphasize the basis of user-centered system design and practical skills like technical drawing and signal analysis that you will need as an engineer or specialist. The seminar module focuses on soft skills, teamwork, public speaking, and practical experience. Courses include the Master Seminar, which is usually taken across various semesters, an internship in a research and development company or a research group. Alternatively, you can take the Teaching Experience course. For the specialization module, you'll need to choose one track, either robotics or computer engineering or space tech. Each submodule aims to provide in-depth knowledge for specializing. You can take courses beyond your core track, but remember, balance is key. I can say that most of these courses are not just theoretical. They often include weekly practical, hands-on, or project-based assessments. You will have fun playing with new technologies whilst learning. Some of these courses are offered by different institutes, so if you want to take courses not listed in the study information system, you can discuss it with your program director. The narrow field module helps you to acquire additional professional knowledge in the field of your choice. You can either choose to go for a semester abroad or work with a company or sign up for courses to develop skills in business or financial management. For optional courses, you can freely explore topics outside your core focus to broaden your worldview and perspective. The master thesis aims to give you the opportunity to apply your research and development skills. You don't have to wait till your last semester to get started. I encourage you to join up a lab beforehand and talk to potential supervisors. There are a lot of supervisors and research areas to explore. Your thesis is an opportunity to make a contribution to your field. It can set the foundation for industry, for the research, or a PhD. It showcases your ability to solve complex problems independently. Some of your seminars and lab will be held at the Institute of Technology building at Nordoce 1. You can further explore the facilities and learning environment at the University of Tartu virtual tour website. At the Tartu Delta Center, you will see the Maker Lab and the Robotics Field Room, where you can work on your projects. In the virtual tour, you can also explore other research labs and research facilities. Coming 2028, the Institute of Technology will have a new state-of-the-art building to support all robotics and computer engineering research and development. The University of Tartu offers various platforms to connect students with internship, job, and research projects. At the IMS and CS websites, you can see the list of research labs within the Institute of Technology and Computer Science. Through Erasmus+, you can participate in international internships to gain experience. As a student, you will be informed about various opportunities through the UT newsletter, and you can attend various career and company fairs events throughout the semesters. There are various student-led projects for you to be involved in to gain practical experience. Feel free to explore the Institute websites, but some examples include the Robotics Study Companion (RSC) project, where students can learn how to build and program their own study robot. Another, Robotant, a mobile open-source learning platform where you can learn about the robot operating system. Samubot, a student project where they're building a fully open-source humanoid robot. And so many more projects in not only robotics, but space technology. Example, the Lunar Rover and the Estonian CubeSat project. Learn more about each project on their website. After successfully completing the Robotics and Computer Engineering program, graduates can find roles in industry and academia, from research and development to startups, even entrepreneurship. Many of my colleagues are either pursuing PhDs across Europe or working in companies like Starship, Clevon, and Bolt here in Estonia. You're also encouraged to start your own tech venture or innovative project with knowledge and skills you've gained. You can read more about the program or the curriculum by visiting these links. If you have any additional questions, contact the program director or me. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.